How do you access downloaded songs of Apple Music in the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So you can open up your music app on the iPad like this. Make sure that you are signed in and have the subscription ready and whatnot. But you can see in the left window, if you make it show up, I can already tap on the downloaded button or at the menu within my Apple Music, and these are all of the songs which I saved for offline use, like I downloaded them. So whenever you are browsing some of these songs you might like, of course, click on the download button either for the whole album or just for the specific songs. But the point is that it's gonna be part of the library, and you'll be able to see it in here that this is the downloaded section. Even if you go to the home, you'll be able to browse all of the different things in here, and you can get to the downloaded section from other ways as well. Like you can go to the playlist and all of that, but it's just generally part of the library and you'll be able to just get there this way. So, you can find it in a simple manner. If you do not see it exactly the way I do, then consider updating your iPad to the latest version of iPad OS, because these kind of changes are performed with the new software release. So yeah, make sure to do that and you'll see everything as I do right now. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Subscribe for more and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.